Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of point-of-sale systems, specifically Clover. If you're a business owner, you've probably come across this all-in-one solution for managing payments, inventory, and even customer loyalty programs. But here's the thing, Clover itself isn't a bank. It's a powerful POS system, but to make those transactions flow smoothly, you need a banking partner behind the scenes. So, the real question is, which bank works with Clover? Turns out it's not just one bank. Clover actually partners with a bunch of reputable financial institutions to offer its services. This might seem confusing at first, but it actually gives you some flexibility as a business owner. You can choose the bank that best suits your needs and budget. Let's break down some of the major players in the Clover banking game. The big guys, we're talking about financial powerhouses like Wells Fargo and PNC. These banks offer Clover as part of their merchant services packages. This can be a good option if you already have an account with them and want a one-stop shop for your business banking and POS needs. Regional banks. Don't count out your local heroes. Many regional banks across the US have partnered with Clover. This can be a great option if you prefer a more personalized banking experience and want to support a local institution. Industry-specific options. This might surprise you, but some Clover partnerships cater to specific industries. For example, some banks specialize in working with restaurants or retail businesses, offering Clover packages tailored to those needs. Here's the catch. Not all banks advertise their Clover partnerships loudly. So, how do you find out which bank is the right Clover match for you? Step 1. Check the Clover website. They have a handy partner directory that lists many of the banks they work with. This is a good starting point to see the options available in your area. Step 2. Talk to your current bank. Even if they don't advertise a Clover partnership, it's worth reaching out to see if they offer it behind the scenes. You might be surprised. Step 3. Consider your needs. Think about what's important to you in a bank. Do you need competitive processing fees? Are you looking for specific integrations with other business tools? Once you have a good idea of your priorities, you can compare the offerings of different Clover partner banks. Remember, don't just go with the first bank you come across. Take some time to compare options, ask questions, and negotiate rates. After all, this is a business decision, and you want to get the best deal possible. Bonus tip: while banks are crucial for processing transactions, Clover also offers an open bank option. This allows you to choose a third-party payment processor to work with your Clover system. This can be a good option if you have a preferred processor already or are looking for a very specific set of features. So, there you have it. The answer to which bank works with Clover is actually, it depends. But with a little research and some smart comparison shopping, you can find the perfect banking partner to power your Clover POS system and take your business to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy business building.